Welcome! Today I am with iPad mini 2021 and I'll show you how you can find and use flashlight. All we have to do, just simply open notification panel, the control center, and then click once on this icon. As you can see right now, the flashlight is activated. You can also change level of this flashlight by clicking, holding, and then moving just like that. Take a look right now. As you can see, that's how we can adjust the brightness level of our flashlight. To turn it off, just click on this icon one more time. So as you can see, that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.